Yo, what up? What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. We're doing some 1v1s on Rocket League because I felt like I'm on a roll, so I decided to put down the Smash, let Lucas alone for a little bit, and hop on the sticks, hop on the driver's seat this time. We are Champ 1, Division 1. Alright, so maybe we could get work ourselves up to Champ 2, maybe, if we find the game. That'll be cool. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. About freaking time. Appa. I better put him down. Put him down to the ground. Let's go. I'll get this. Alright, I'll get the ball. Nope. Really? No, no, no. He missed. He missed. He missed. Okay, okay. It's one of those. Fuck this guy, bro. Fuck this guy. Already, it's my first game back. This motherfucker said my bad. I'm on your ass. Oh my goodness. What? What happened to my car? He missed that. I need the boost, but it's not gonna be there. Wait for it. Dumbass, dumbass, dumbass. You fucking idiot, bro. You're lucky. Ooh. You're lucky you exploded me that first fucking goal. You fucking bitch. Dumbass, don't try that shit on me. Oh my gosh. He's so lucky, bro. He doesn't have it. He doesn't have it. What? Got around me. He does not have it, bro. He does not have it. You fucking idiot. Just fucking wasted all your boost, ho. You dumb fuck. Oh, damn it. Oh, I thought he owned gold. Once again, here we go. He's gonna waste all his fucking idiot boost. This is a fucking ad. Fuck it, bro.
My buddy turned me on to Lumen. He has changed my routine for the better. It's simple, just 3
Bro, the
steps.
fucking ad. Bro, get this shit out of my ear.
The charcoal cleanser cleans out the gut.
Hello? Bro, this is a winnable game. What am I doing? I'm just not locked in. He's so lucky, bro. But this is a winnable game. The way he's playing is punishable. I'm not skipping. My turn, come on, come back. He doesn't die. He does not die from that. That's insane. Oh my god, he gets the fucking 50, bro. Shoot it. Bro, that does not make sense. That does not make sense. He got the fucking 50. Bro, he's beating me at every 50-50 that we've had. Fuck. I'm fucked. Oh my god, he's so ass. Fake. Bro, how does he fucking... Oh my god. Take a long shot here. Bro! Bro! I hate this game so much. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Fake. Fake. He's gonna be fucking bad because I don't know how. He's just that fucking fast, I guess. He drives backwards, huh? He has absolutely zero boost here. Took every single one of them. There's no shot. Oh, fucking 40 seconds. Let's go. Come on. OSC Grand Season 9. You're fucking washed, kid. You're either washed or you're carried. Oh my god, I couldn't get the fucking boost, bro. This guy is an idiot. Bro, holy shit, I'm so unlucky. No, dude, that's not even fucking funny, bro. Holy shit, I drove over that tiny fucking pad and I didn't get it. It's insane to me. It's insane to me. Give me everything. But we made the comeback. Now let's close it out. Oh, thank God. Oh, no fucking power, bro. Turn fast. No. Go up, go up. He missed, he missed. What? He got the fucking... Oh my god. I hate this game so much. He's so lucky, man. Not even fucking funny, bro. Give me... Let's play again, bro. There we go. Game time, game time. I forgot that guy's name already. I don't even know. I wouldn't even know if it was him or not. Nope, it's definitely not him. Washed Grand Champ. Another one, huh? Ain't no problem with me. Ain't no problem with me. Don't take a shot. Why would I go for fucking boost? I'm in that 2v2 mentality, man. Now I would save. Fake. Don't let him get that corner. Jesus Christ, what am I doing? No, fucking fumbling. I gotta make this comeback. You fucking dick. How does he get a piece of that? There goes one. no way. Jose. There's no way. Oh my god, bro. You're fucking kidding me, man. Ah. Oh, hello? I'm about to say. Come on. What? What? I'm dead. Oh my god, can I get some fucking boost? No. Oh. He got it. Damn it. I could have done better. That's kind of my fault. I should have waited on the wall a little bit longer, and I could have defended it better. What the fuck is that, man? He's going up. Cannot score this. He cannot score this. That shit was so fucking obvious. Why would I go for that fucking ball? That was the most obvious fake ever. I still got three. I still got three in me. No, my problem is cannot fucking aerial for anything. If my life depended on it, I would die. And I cannot fucking drive it seems. Oh my god, what is my car doing? Okay, I need to play a different game here. Shit is obviously not working. What? Did I not get that? Oh no. This game is so ass. I swear to fucking god. Oh my god, bro. Thank you, thank you. That was a no fucking shot I was gonna save. He was gonna save that. I didn't even notice he didn't go for that. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Three more. I'ma lose. Shoot it. Fuck you. Fuck you, you fucking cunt. Oh, I had to go for that. Nah, I had to, cause there is no shot I was gonna score 3 on him like that. The way I'm playing, shish, I might lose champ here. He fucking missed. Oh, fuck fucking ball. Why would it go for that? Why would you go like that, bro? Skirt. Shoot this. If you can fucking... Oh my god, can you not control your fucking car? It's cooked. I'm cooked. I'm washed. I'm so fucking washed. I need that rematch again, bro. Give me the fucking rematch. Oh my god, I went down. He was a fucking diamond 3. Let's go. Ooh, lock in. Lock the fuck in. That's an ass place. Ha. He's gonna blow me up. Hey, no way. My car gets fucked. I'm clearly on top of his fucking ass. Go, go, go. Hey, no. I need to not even go for aerials. What the hell am I doing, bro? What the fuck am I doing up there? Do it again. Fuck it. How is he so fucking fast, bruh? No shot, no shot. He missed. Oh, he's so fucking ass. Shoot that shit, bitch. Oh, I should have got that. I'm so fucking slow. Defend. Defend. Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. You got time. What I mean, what do you think? What do you think I am, bro? Woo! What is the goat doing? He has no fucking boost, but he literally has no boost. What am I doing? It's only a 1 goal difference. I don't need to rush anything. That was so pathetic. There he goes again. He has 100. Maybe I'll go for one of those. Psych. Okay. Game time, game time, game time. Lock. I got hella boost here, taking his shit. No way, bro. He has no boost. Where did he get the speed from, bro? I'm not going for that. He's such a fucking idiot. Hit the ball. I'm fucked. Thank you. Give me boost. Fuck your shit. Oh no. I have to attack here. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? He fucking so bad. He's so bad. I don't know why I keep on looking at the scoreboard. It's just like a natural reaction, I guess. I don't know. Off the wall. Oh, he's so ass, bro. Fuck you. Give me this. I'm not gonna score here. Or will I? No, no. Oh my. I thought I was going directly to my net. I was about to cry. He missed. Bang! Okay. I'm about to skip this ad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I'm feeling something. No, he does not get a touch there. He has 0 boost. Oh, you're bad, kid. You're bad. Fuck you! Fuck out of my fucking lobby, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Come on. Do we not a level up? Wow. Or not a promotion? Ew. Ew. This is not bad. Fuck with that. I fuck with that.
20 seconds.
I need at least win this one. I think I know this guy. Bring it on, bring it on. Take a shot, homie. Whoop. Okay. Yeah, this guy is not good. I should win here. You know, scientifically speaking, bro. Scientifically speaking, I should win this one. Bang!
Is it really possible that NASA deceived the world? According to a former astronaut, it's entirely possible.
Get off me. We're gonna massacre, bro. He does not know I have pent up anger. I'm about to unleash it on, bro. That could have been bad. What? Okay, now I'm acting stupid. I'm acting stupid. Don't act stupid. I'm playing crazy. Come on. Fuck this shit. Shoot that hoe. You gonna shoot it? You ain't gonna shoot it? Where is he? Oh, I lost sight of him. Fake. Shoot it. Fake! Get the fucking boost. Fucking take a shot. Oh, you're bad, you're bad, you're bad. Not even worried. There's no way I'd not get that hoe. Ah! Turn! He missed, he missed, he missed, he missed, he missed. Shoot it! You Fucking pussy. Take me this way. Division up? Of course not. Of course not. This whole video was a fucking mistake. I'm never opening Rocket League up again. Fuck this.